channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you part 5 of photoshoot at home ideas. So first of all, thank you so much. A lot of you have requested me to make this video, so I'm like really happy to make this kind of videos for you guys. So if you haven't watched my 4 parts already, so go check it out. So I will link that playlist in the description box below or on the I button, so you can check that out as well. So yeah, in today's video similarly I will be making some really simple indoor photo shoot ideas for you guys. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. So for the first photo shoot idea, I'll be using a chair. So you can use any chair or stool which you have in your house. I had this brown chair, so I thought of using it as a boss lady poses. So that is why I've dressed all formal and I'm giving this boss lady kind of pose. So guys, you can even screenshot the poses if you want, because later you will remember these poses if you see your screenshots. You can also keep on changing the angles, like the camera angles, also the chair angles, and it will give a lot of variations to your pictures. Also you can see that I have added this classy mug to my pictures so that it looks very edgy and it will look good with my pictures. It is looking like a complete whole picture together. So you can add different props to your picture as well. And here you go guys, this is how the pictures have turned out, and trust me you guys, this is looking so pretty, like so edgy, boss lady kind of poses. I am in love with this photo shoot. I have never done such kind of photo shoot, so I really like this ones. Moving to the second photo shoot idea, for that I'll be using my cupboard. So you can use any cupboard or closet. So this is like a wooden cupboard, so it will look more classy, so that is why I've chose this one. Also I've arranged some clothes inside and I have left a space in between to sit. So let's sit and give some really cute poses, you guys. I really like to give cute poses, you all know that already. So I'm like giving cute poses of hiding inside and poses like I have nothing to wear, what should I wear, or just hiding poses like someone is going to find me, we are playing kind of a game or something like that. That's why I've kept all the clothes like colorful so that it adds like more colors to my picture. And I'm wearing these pajamas as well, that we are playing hide and seek inside my house and I'm hiding in my cupboard. I really like these fun poses and these fun photo shoot ideas. And yeah, this is how the pictures from this photo shoot have turned out, and look at it guys, it is looking so cute. This hiding poses and this colors in my background is looking so cute. I really like all these photos. Moving on to the third photo shoot idea is photo shoot in sari. So a lot of my viewers requested me to make a photo poses in saris, so here I am. So first pose is just lean on any wall. So I had this traditional looking wall in my room, but you can use like a plain wall as well. Next you can also use your bed, just lie on your bed and give some really cute poses again. Also shy poses looks really nice with your sari, so I am here trying to give some shy poses. Next you can also focus your photos on your jewelry. like I am doing over here. You can focus on your earrings, or also you can use like a bangles. If you wear like a lot of bangles, it will really look nice. Next, you can give sitting poses, and trust me guys, like in sari, sitting poses looks the best, because while uploading a picture on Instagram, it is like a lot of hassle. If you wear a sari and if you want your complete picture, it always has the hassle to crop your pictures half. But if you give like a sitting pose, your complete sari will be visible in your photos, and it looks so pretty and like a whole picture together. Next, I'm also using this railing, and this will give like a bokeh effect to my pictures. Like you can focus little bit on your photo, and more of the focus will be on railing, so it will look really nice and pretty. And this is how the sari photo shoot have turned out, you guys, and this is looking so pretty. You can see by yourself. This dreamy kind of pictures in sitting poses are looking so cute and so pretty and so attractive all together. So I really like how these photos have turned out. Moving on to the last photoshoot idea of this video. For that you'll be using glass shadows. So I've taken two different kind of glasses, like different textured glasses. You can see one has this really pretty texture of like fish scales on it, and other is like a plain glass. So I've switched off my light, and only the flashlight is enough for this photo shoot. And you can see on the wall it is making like a really nice shadow of water inside and the textured glass. So I've off my ring light as well, and this is how you can see the texture is looking. So you need to simply sit or stand in the shadow and give like a regular poses, and still this photo shoot will turn really nice. Trust me on that. So I've done this kind of similar photo shoot in the past, so if you want to see that as well, I will link that video in the description box below or on the I button. So now I'm going to switch the glasses, and I'm now using this plain glass. So you do not require like a textured glass. You can give poses with this plain glass as well, and it will also look really nice. And you can see that the shadows which are forming behind are also looking so pretty and so attractive. And this is how the photos from this photo shoot is looking. And you can see guys, this is looking so attractive, these photos. It is looking like a professional photo shoot. It looks so pretty and so attractive. Thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also please comment down below if you want a part 6 as well of photo shoot at home ideas. I will be really glad to make that video for you guys. So yeah, I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.